Alright, we are up early. We are going to Paula Deen's. The girls already took off. We dropped them off up by the restaurant. Alright, so now we are here. We're just waiting to get called up, and we're gonna look around the store as we're here. We're going up. This is the place setting, and I'll show you the menus. This is the starter, these cinnamon rolls. We're not sure what's in them. We're about to find out. But there's so much icing. They look amazing. So the orange juice is complimentary, and any drink after that you have to pay for it. So we're gonna try this cinnamon roll. There's so much icing. It is chaotic.
It is no raisins. Don't get ever too much icing. What'd you say, Amanda? Very ever too much icing.
Yeah, that's good. There's so much icing.
I think there's nothing in too.
Literally,
nothing in raisins.
I dripped it all over the table.
There's raisins on top and there's nuts inside of it.
I don't really care for the raisin, but nuts are good.
So there's raisins on the top, and then there's nuts mixed throughout it. They're delicious. Okay, all the food just got here. Here it is. It's the black pepper, bacon, the pancakes, scrambled eggs, sausage and gravy that looks amazing. There's the biscuits, the casserole, the chicken, and half a cinnamon roll that Jen says it's way too sweet, she can't eat. So now we're going to dig in. We are going to try some of the food.
I can hold it and then you can yell on it. I can hold this if you want to get it up. Get to it because it's thick, but oh my god.
These eggs are amazing.
So you're going to want it. Everything is amazing.
It's like cheesy and like just delicious. Okay.
And I'm going to ask him for what.
Now the casserole is like little string potatoes.
I really like this part.
You can taste there's potato chips on it, and they taste so great mixed in with it. It gives like a little bit of a crunch. Awesome. The biscuits, we had chicken biscuits, and then we had sausage and gravy and biscuits. The sausage and gravy has so many chunks of sausage in it. See if I can get it to focus. See. Maybe not. It's really good. There's just like huge chunks of sausage.
Oh, I have.
And then the bacon is huge. This looks so good. This is the black pepper bacon.
Wow. That really is amazing.
It's like nice and sweet with the black pepper adds perfect to it.
We're definitely getting that.
Alright. And then for the chicken,
Well, I forgot to add some pepper. I know that they let you do like make it so much.
the chicken's really good too. It's like nice and crispy on the outside. So warm, delicious. Okay, so the food was really good. The least favorite thing was probably the sausage gravy. Just not a real big fan of it. The biscuits were amazing. The chicken was great. The bacon was really good. The black pepper really balanced out the sweetness of it. I loved the casserole. It had like a cheesy, gooey, oniony taste. It was fantastic with the shredded potatoes. And then what else did we get? The pancakes were good. The syrup was nice and warm and it came out and it had this like, they called it I think an ooey gooey butter sauce or something. It was very sweet and the syrup actually kind of balanced everything out so it didn't taste like overbearingly sweet. And then this for what I think of delicious, they had like a, I think it was Monterey Jack with some type of spices and it was amazing. So the wait staff was really great, super friendly, and the food came out so quick. I definitely would recommend coming here.